Let's compare between Enscape versus Lumion versus vray. Which is the best rendering software compared? Which visual or visualization tool is the best? All these three tools are good, but they serve slightly different purposes depending on your workflow and goals. First, we have Enscape. Enscape is best for real-time rendering inside modeling tools like SketchUp, Revit, Rhino, Arcade. Now, Enscape is the fastest learning curve. Live sync with your model and simple UI. Excellent for architects or interior designers needing quick walkthroughs, limited photorealism compared to vray, but good enough for more clients. The strength, speed, and ease of use. The next we have is Lumion, which is great for fast, beautiful landscape and exterior renders. Drag and drop nature makes it beginner friendly and has a vast asset library for trees, people, cars, weather effects, and Lumion performance can be GPU heavy, which is not ideal for low end systems. The strength, beautiful cinematic results with less complexity than VE. Next, we have vray. Vray is for the industry, or its standard is for high end photorealistic rendering with deep integration. And it also has SketchUp, Rhino, Revit, 3D Max, 3ds Max, Maya, and others. It has a steep learning curve but unmatched quality and customization. It's best for product visuals, animation, and marketing grade imaginary. The strength, ultimate realism, render control. So go with Enscape if you want speed plus VR walkthroughs. You can take Lumion if you want flashy visuals with minimal effort, or you can use vray for professional grade renders and control over every detail. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.